I've installed this Excel MCP in my machine. Okay, so this Excel MCP I will tell you later how you can install it, because it's a third party. You can just Google it. You will get this Excel MCP, and then you can install it in your machine. So see, this MCP server they have created using this TypeScript. Okay, JavaScript, TypeScript there. So that's why here you see UVX command is sorry, this is again, it is created in the Python base. So UVX they are using. So we have a various, right, we can create it in any languages MCP servers. So in TypeScript also you can create it. So where you can use npx. So they will be providing with the npx command node package, right, where they are delivering it as a node package, this MCP server, and then using node command you can just execute it. So whatever you are seeing here, right, this is everything is stdio based. Okay, when it comes to, right, streamable HTTP, then an SSC is deprecated, right? So when SSC or streamable HTTP comes, then no need of these commands, local execution of these files, right? They need some URL, and URL is hosted somewhere, right? It's in somewhere central server. Just URL you need to point it to. Okay, so that is the difference, right? Now you can see one word MCP, right, which deals with the word file manipulations, reading, everything, right? So Word document also I have given, which is, right, Office Word MCP server, which I have registered here. So I think now UI is up now. So we can just